Right. Welcome to Zimbabwe. Welcome to Matabele North. Welcome to Wange, rural Wange. This is rural Wange. And welcome to Lanyula Cultural Village. And this is the project that we are working on. And this is the next generation of African villages. Zimbabwe is on a path of developing rural communities, and social mobility and sustainability has been key to us in rural Zimbabwe. And by the way, my name is Taku, and I will take you through this project and for people to understand what goes on here in Zimbabwe, in rural Zimbabwe, in Matabele North, part of the western part of Zimbabwe, where we are pushing on rural sustainability and social mobility in rural Zimbabwe. And Matabele North lead in that development, that rural communities are shaping the way that Zimbabwe is moving fast. So Zimbabwe is talented. We have lots of talent in Zimbabwe. And I want to show you one of the guys who's working here at Lanyula Cultural Village. He has been here from the start and to where we are here. Right. Hey, Ndianu.
Yeah, it's Ephias.
Ephias.
Yes.
Okay, Ephias, what's your second name, Ephias?
Chifunga.
Chifunga, good.
Yes.
Tell us, what are you doing here?
Right, I'm working on fish and the wonders of Zimbabwe. This is Matopos.
Okay, that's Madziwa, yes. Mabwedziwa, there. It's unfinished, yes, that's Mabwedziwa, yes. And what is this one?
This is a lion now.
It's a lion here. Well, okay, what rocks are you using to make these things?
Yeah, I'm looking at local Zimbabwean serpentine stones. Yeah, we call it springstone. Yeah, and the other one is cobalt.
Okay.
Yeah, there are lots of different stones here in Zimbabwe, so we can just choose on what you want to work on. Okay. Yes. Okay. So there's one interesting thing, because people think in Matabele North there's no stone sculpturing. So you're transferring skills from Mashonaland into Matabele Land. Into Matabele Land, that's true. Yeah. Okay. So that's amazing. Most people actually think Shona sculptures is done in the other side of the country, but here in Matabele North, introducing skills right here, right? Yes. Okay. Definitely. So definitely. So that's amazing. So so how long? So who buys this art that you're doing here? Yeah, who are your customers? The local tourists who come and visit, like this village, Nyanyula, if they see the lion, because we are sitting in the Wange National Park area, catchment area. Yes. Good. So if they see the lion there, if I'm doing the lion, if they watch, they see it here, they're interested in buying. They'll buy all these things. Yes. Okay, that's fine. So that's actually good. So you're actually transferring skills from another part of Zimbabwe to the other part of Zimbabwe, to the western side of Zimbabwe, and it's credit goes to you. And well done for that. And we are empowering the local economies and also the rural economies. People think you have to go in town to go and get these white collar jobs, etc., etc. They actually don't know that we can use our resources that are around us, and people will come to us and buy. So thanks for that insight. What else can you make? Can you tell people what else you can do and what you could do and what have you done here at Lanyula Cultural Village? You know. Yeah, I'm kind of a multi-talented person. Yeah, I do portraits. Yeah. If you give me your side and front view of your face, I can transform it into a stone. Into a rock, yeah? Exactly. Okay. So we are into animals. Yeah. We are into human beings. Yeah. And all the icons that nature can give us. You can do that. I can do that. Well done. Here at Lanyula Cultural Center village, I've managed to do the bathtub, the jacuzzi, which is made out of rock, which is an amazing thing too again. And also, I've done the Nambia lady is sitting on the display there. Exactly, yeah. Okay. So also the rosary moon. Yeah. I'm the one who did. We've done that. Yes. Credit goes to you. So I've always said you're the best in the country, in Zimbabwe. There is no one anywhere else on the land between Zambezi and Limpopo better than him. But you find him here in Madibele North, in Hwange district, rural district. But it's amazing, and we hope we get the support from the Zimbabwean people that will support small projects like this that are transforming rural communities in Zimbabwe. And once again, my name is Taku. Thank you for listening. Hopefully we'll give you more of the rural projects that are happening as Zimbabwe moves on to take its center stage on the world economics. And by the way, from Lanyula Cultural Village, from Hwange, thank you.